In this video, I will tell you how to fix RStudio app not working problem. So it is easy and simple. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, go to settings and then scroll down and tap on app management and then tap on app list. Tap on search bar and here search for RStudio and now tap on RStudio option and then tap on storage usage. And here you will see two options, clear cache and clear data. So simply tap on clear data and then OK. Now close this and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and here search type on search option. Now tap on search bar and here type RStudio and now tap on this text. Now tap on RStudio option and here you will see update option. So simply update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.